Hello everyone, welcome to this new video on bold reports. In this video, you will learn how to pass parameter values to a report and handle key report viewer events in an ASP.NET Core web application. Parameters are dynamic input values that allow users to filter, customize, and personalize report data at runtime in bold reports. Instead of designing multiple reports for different conditions, parameters make a single report flexible and reusable. By the end of this video, you will learn how to embed the report viewer into an ASP.NET Core application, pass parameter values to reports from the client side and from the server side using the Web API controller, and use before parameter add and view report click events to set and update parameter values. Let me start the demonstration by opening Visual Studio Code. Here I have already created an ASP.NET Core application with the Bold Reports Report Viewer control that has the sales order detail report already added. I have included a video link in the description. First, let's pass parameter values from the client side using Razor View. To do this, open the index.cshtml and locate the Bold Report Viewer tag. The sales order detail report has a sales order number parameter. Inside the Bold Report Viewer tag, add the parameters property to pass the report parameters from the controller to the Bold Report Viewer using viewbag.parameters in Razor. Next, go to the Home controller and create a parameters collection. This collection contains a report parameter object where the name property corresponds to an existing report parameter, and the values property specifies the value to be applied. Assign the parameters collection to viewbag.parameters and run the application to render the report with the applied parameter value. Next, let's pass parameter values from the server side. Open the Report Viewer controller file and move to the onReportLoaded method. Inside it, create a report parameter list. Then add the parameter name and values to the list. Assign this list to the report parameter and save it. Now run the application. The report is rendered with the applied parameter value. Now let's set a default parameter value using the before parameter add event. Go back to the index.cshtml file and initialize the event method within the tag. Implement the onBeforeParameterAdd. Inside the method, check whether the parameter is available or not. If it exists, set the value and run the application. This time, the report loads with the parameter value already applied by default. Finally, update a parameter value using the View Report Click event. Initialize the event with the onViewReportClick method and implement it. Inside the method, add a code block to display whether the parameter is updated or not in an alert dialog. Run the application. And change the parameter value in the UI. Select View Report Click to trigger the event. You can see the alert message confirming the parameter update. In this video, I've shown you how to pass parameter values to a report from the client and server side, and how to handle report viewer events like before parameter add and view report click to set and update parameter values at runtime. To learn more about Bold Reports, visit boldreports.com. If you don't have a Bold Report subscription, you can sign up for a free 30-day trial by selecting Try It Free. If you prefer a demo from an expert, click Request Demo to schedule one. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more information on Bold Reports.